I'd like to hear from you, Vijayendra. You're all smiles. Prime Minister Modi is also in Karnataka. It seems like the BJP has really put up a pompous campaign this time. What's your prediction for your party here?
See, Karnataka, it would be fair on my part to say that we don't find one constituency where I feel BJP cannot win. Because every constituency I can see Modi ji's way. People want Modi ji as a prime minister for one more tenure. So in this context, I'm seeing a lot of pro-incumbency in favor of our Bharatiya Janata Party, in favor of Narendra Modi ji's leadership.
All right. So at this point, it's all guns blazing against the Congress about a lot of communal issues that's come back to the spotlight. Would you tell us why does the BJP say a lot of the law and order situation is a fallout of minority appeasement in Karnataka?
See, minority appeasement is one part. The common man, they are talking about this Congress government. See, nearly 9 to 10 murders have taken place in last 1 week. Especially the Neha murder case which happened in Hubli. The statements given by Chief Minister himself. Honorable Chief Minister Siddaramaiah told immediately after Neha's murder that this murder has taken place due to their personal reasons. See, here the Chief Minister, who is bound to give support, extend his support to the family, who is in distress due to the loss of a daughter. But Chief Minister comes with a statement that murder has been taken place due to the personal reasons. Is it not the duty of the Chief Minister to ensure the law and order situation is correct? And again, the Home Minister, he comes with some nonsensical statements. So this has really raised a lot of questions, not only Neha episode, even in Yadgir district. A Hindu Karyakarta was murdered in the night. And again, 3 murders took place in Davangere district at Channagiri. And even Gadag, 3 more murders took place. But the law and order situation is deteriorating day by day. And especially after the infamous statement of Pakistan Jindabad on the floor in the house in Vidhan Sauda, and non-action of the present government and trying to defend the anti-national elements who sloganed Pakistan Jindabad. This has creating more and more nuisance from the minority people. And when we raise the issue, Congress party tries to paint us as anti-minority.